YouTube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. How I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. 24/7 lifetime access. Work at your own pace. Introducing YouTube Mastery and Monetization. YouTube Mastery and Monetization teaches how to start, grow, and monetize a hyper-profitable YouTube channel from complete scratch. It doesn't matter if you don't have any tech skills or any previous business experience. Everything you need to know is provided step by step in this training program. My exact strategies in this complete course. I teach my exact strategies for starting YouTube channels from scratch and show you how I started a YouTube channel and grew it to having 500,000 subscribers in just 1 year. I hold nothing back as I show you secret algorithm growth hacks, tips, and strategies for growing quickly and going viral that I have not seen taught anywhere else online. When you join YouTube Mastery and Monetization, you get full and immediate access to Module 1. Overview of the blueprint, the 3 stages to YouTube beta phase. Choosing a niche and planning your content, intermediate phase. Uploading 33 videos, scaling phase. Outsourcing the work. Module 2. Choosing a niche, ways of going about YouTube, the best high CPM niches, doing market research bonus, list of 100+ profitable niches. Module 3. Setting up your channel for success, the 33 rule and how to use it, the best YouTube tool ever made, my secret SEO keyword process, planning your content strategy. Module 4. Uploading videos, anatomy of a viral video, how to systematize your videos, where to find free content, how to edit videos for free, making high click-through rate thumbnails. Module 5. The growth module, understanding YouTube analytics and the algorithm, how to truly go viral on YouTube, breaking the biggest myths and misconceptions and laying down some truth. The best time of day to upload. Module 6. The monetization module, how to make more money than most YouTubers, the many ways of monetizing your channel, my personal favorite way of making money utilizing YouTube. Module 7. Scaling your channel, hiring one person to do all the content creation, making a video creation assembly line, bonus, fill in the blank scripts for finding and hiring employees. This is not your typical course. We provide you with everything you need to be successful. The complete YouTube Mastery and Monetization program so you can start a profitable YouTube channel and have all the necessary skills needed to start with the right niche and then take that channel to the next level. For more details visit description box. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe our channel.